Okay, we're going to try and set another world record, although let me turn the radio off first of all. More bad preparation, hold on. Right. Okay, so we're going to set another world record. I've got a ring here that needs 6 new claws. It's a diamond single stone wire set. And I don't know if you can zoom in, but 2 of the claws are completely missing. I don't know, can you catch that? If I bring it closer to you, does that help?
No, if you just keep it there, yep. Can see.
Right, there's 2 claws that are actually missing, and the other 4 are just completely worn. Normally what we would do with that is, see this white gold wire? We'd solder on some claws, okay? But it's expensive to do that. That could cost, you know, maybe £200 to claw that up and polish it and rhodium plate it and one thing or another. We're going to do something differently. I'm going to take the stone out,
yep,
and I'm going to set it down a fraction lower using the claws that are there. If you look at it at the moment, that's maybe standing up, say, 6 mil from the bottom to the top. I'm going to set it down a little bit, maybe it'll be, say, 5 mil. So we're only going to lose 1 millimetre, which is almost, and it's quite high anyway. So I'm going to try and fix this ring at a cost of, say, £30 instead of charging £200 for more or less the same job. In fact, this will be better because it's using the existing claws. There's going to be no soldering. The big thing is I'm going to try and do it in world record time. I'm going to try and take that diamond out and I'm going to set it down a fraction lower in 6 minutes. Okay? 6 minutes. Have you got that?
yep.
So I need you to be ready with the timer, and when I say go, you go. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to push that diamond out, I'm going to flatten the claws a little bit, and then start resetting it. So we'll talk more as we go along.
Yep.
Okay, so I've made a world record once before and I had really bad preparation. I'm thinking I've got all the tools I need to hand. Okay, so are you ready?
I'm ready.
Right, well I'm ready. I'm going to put the ring there. Can you see where my hand is?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to put the ring there, and I'm going to push the stone out, and we're going to start. And stay calm, everybody. Oh, just one thing. If you hear some background noises, I've got my eldest daughter here with my grandson. Do you want to pan round and have a quick look, or not? Okay, so we've got a bit of an audience. So if you hear some background noises, it's not me throwing my voice as a baby. Right. You ready?
Yep.
When I say go, we go. Okay? Ready, steady, go. Right, zoom in and you'll see me push the diamond out. Right, that's it out.
Yep.
We'll leave the diamond there, can you see it? And I'm just going to file these claws down a little. So we're getting rid of the remains of the old claws at the top. You see?
Yep.
There we go. Get it nice and even. I should have cheated a bit because this is already taking longer than I thought it would.
Do you not have a machine that could file them down?
Not really, no. But if you hear of one, let me know. Right, okay. So, I don't know if you can zoom in. Can you see the claws look quite thick again now?
Yep.
They're back to how they were before a diamond was ever put in this ring. And there's plenty of room to reset that stone. And I'm going to start drilling now to let the stone in. And this is exactly the same thing as what a dentist has. One. Have you got a good zoom going on?
Yep.
Have a look at the clock with the camera. How much time have we used?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Right, can you zoom in and can you see those new grooves I've made?
I'll have a look now.
Want me to bring that in?
Just have to zoom out a little bit. Hold it there. Zoom out a little bit. Yep.
Okay.
Just about see them.
Okay. And now I'm just going to change drills. The bits. I'm just going to make that slightly better. I'm going to put a slightly bigger one in. This is actually wasting time, but it could save time in the long run. Here we go.
Three minutes remaining.
Okay, watch this. See the diamond?
Yep.
I'm going to try and force that in. See, I've squeezed that in?
Yep.
And I'm going to get it balanced up. Got to get it nice and level. And that is almost in. All I've got to do now is push those claws over and tidy it up a bit. How much time have we got left?
Coming up to 2 minutes.
2 minutes left?
Yep.
Right, watch, I'm going to lever these claws over now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I better check it's level. And it is not bad. Just got to press it down a bit harder there. Yeah. 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 How much time left?
1 minute.
Oh no.
30.
No! Right, here we go. Just going to trim these up a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then back the other way. 2, 3, 4. How much time?
A minute.
How many?
8, 7, 6.
A minute?
Yep.
Right, we're almost there. That looks pretty good. Get in there. Right, just going to give it a very quick shine. Follow me. Very quick shine. Normally I put a pair of gloves on. Come around. Normally I put a pair of gloves on, but I'm not going to bother. Oh no. Here we go. I don't have to polish the back of the shank, but I'm going to do it. Right, that just needs to go in the cleaner. Follow me. Come on.
Just look at the time. 20 seconds left.
20 seconds. I'm only going to need 10 of them. That's gone in the cleaner. While that's in there, do the countdown. When I've got, oh, you don't have got the clock in there. Shit. Here we go. I'm cleaning my hands. Here we go. Rings out the cleaner. Listen.
That's the timer.
Right. That gives me 10 seconds. Shit. There we go. Can you zoom in on that?
Yep. There it is. The finished article.
And was it 6 minutes?
Very close.
What?
Very close.
I think that is a new world record. I went for 6 minutes, but my guess was that the world record was 6.5 minutes. I gave myself 30 seconds leeway. There you have it. Should be another happy customer. I'm just going to double check it now. And that is perfectly presentable to give to the customer. So, just to recap what we've done there, if you have a look from the side now, do you remember what it looked like at the beginning?
Yep.
It was about 6mm from top to bottom. It's now about 5.5mm from top to bottom. And I don't think anybody would notice the difference, except they've just saved themselves £200.
Very good.
Okay, we're done. Cut.